Shooting
Jerry,
channel.
we're doing this. Let them play for now. This is for the grown-ups. You go
You wanna
there
play with the girl?
The little girl.
Jerry, come listen to the rules, because you're gonna be like, what?
Just sit down, play with her for a minute. You don't move with me.
Yes.
He wants to be with me.
No, this is grown-up time. Let him sit over there.
Come on,
Yeah.
Jerry.
Fine, he can stand and watch.
Jerry, pay attention.
Suckers.
Pay attention. All right, so everybody's gonna draw a number. Number one will be the first one to pick a present. Why do we only have 10 presents and 12, 11?
Who's missing their
Who
present?
didn't bring a present?
Is anybody's present wrapped
Okay.
together?
These are me and Brittany's.
This one and this one is mine and Jerry's.
Who's this one?
A heart.
You guys just
That's
brought
mine,
one.
Robert.
I thought y'all said y'all brought two.
Okay,
No,
so
you'd have heard
then
me.
you guys get to draw one name.
When I was in here, she
kids are
said
kind of in the
two.
same bag.
You
'Cause we
throw
didn't
one
have-
number in.
We were poor.
Oh, so you do have two.
So it's two.
So we
each
can
one.
find something
So
else
we
to put
gotta
it
find
in.
something else to
Okay.
put that in.
Split it up. Yeah.
To
Well,
split it
here,
up.
what-
No,
what-
let
Careful.
her do it.
I know, I was about to give it to you.
What can she
Don't
put
hide
it in?
He's trying to cheat.
What can she put it in?
Make a heart.
Put it in a Walmart bag. It
Put it
doesn't,
in a
it
sock.
doesn't really matter. Wrap it
Yeah, I got a sock right here.
Nobody want that sock.
Hey, it was your suggestion.
I want Jerry's sock. You're half off.
Dean already gave her a price, so. as long as
He's
you-
got one sock sitting in the car.
That's it.
Flat.
To move it.
To move it out and replace everything there.
And
How
I'm
much?
just gonna shape a heart.
Like 15, 16, something like that, yeah. For her,
To replace it.
Yeah. to replace new
Why
service.
you gotta replace it?
I don't know, he just said that. He just said,
That's the way John does it. He just does that. He just, no.
Well, the
Do
panel
all
that's
new.
inside ain't big enough to service any more of what you're
Alright.
gonna have to have when you add that, so.
I know, but he came out there bad mouthing everything that
Okay.
he did.
Well, yeah, he's going to.
So I'm gonna finish saying
Only
the
one thing was wrong.
Jerry, I'm gonna finish saying the so number one, whoever gets number one is the first one to pick a gift. So I did buy one unisex and the other one, one unisex and one male. But it doesn't matter if a female gets it, you can give it to your spouse or
Yeah.
whatever. Maybe somebody else steal it. I don't know.
Yeah, why
So-
look at me? Yeah, whatever, or whatever.
Anyway, so number one gets to pick the first one, and then it goes to number two. Number two can either steal number one's present or pick
This is
another
best
one.
heart I can make.
And then it goes down the line like that. Each present can only be stolen twice.
And then it's frozen.
Then it's frozen.
Not stolen.
Okay, so if number two steals number one's and number three steals it back,
I
it's
can
number
walk by one
three's
by one.
because it's already been stolen.
See, just in pieces.
And it can't go back and forth. Like if Rachel steals yours, you can't turn around because you won't have to give it, so you have to either.
That's called a steal back.
Yeah.
You can't steal it back from
Well,
Rachel.
she didn't have.
Jerry, pay attention.
And I can just
Don't act like you was playing with Cadence, because you was alone on that.
I know the rules.
Okay,
It's
So-
not that hard.
now we're gonna
Yeah, until it gets to Jerry's turn, he's like, what do I do?
No, I know what to
Just
do.
make sure
I'm gonna
that
steal
when you
the
look at
presents,
number,
is
make
what I'm
sure
gonna
there's
do.
not one
Steal.
inside because Brittany made little ones. Oh, okay.
I know which one to
some
steal.
make a try.
Kind of going inside the
Cheese.
Why are you making me mad?
because you're bad.
Oh,
Let me do this.
Well, you can.
Oh, and at the end, number one, because they only got to pick a present. Number one gets to pick,
Can steal.
can steal from
Somebody else.
anybody unless it's a frozen
Unless it's
present.
frozen.
Unless,
Did you
unless nobody steals. No.
Unless it's
Oh, yeah,
frozen.
that's right. Never mind.
They can steal from anybody.
Yeah, so they
So
can
if
trade.
somebody steals your present, you get to pick another present.
Oh,
Okay, here's mine.
Oh, Kayla.
Are they
Connor's on the
playing?
way.
Are
Probably
they
not.
gonna ask them?
Probably not.
Ask them if they got it.
Cadence is outside.
Okay.
He's not gonna go anywhere.
Well, I have to watch it.
She's okay to run away. Yeah.
I'm watching him.
I don't think.
He was like,
So this triangle did
because she's all.
not work. I can't make a
She's
triangle.
all.
So I'm gonna try to make a square.
And then mom was like, "Are they gonna play?" She's like, "Oh, I don't know."
Come on, hold on, let me call.
She's an actual young girl.
Okay. Who got number one?
Who is that?
Okay, pick a prize.
Are they
Jerry. Pay attention.
She seen that it was number one.
Put your ass back.
Yeah.
Okay, they're on.
She didn't look
I
when
had
she
them
folded
folded
it up.
up. No, they're the chocolate.
So you pick a gift.
They're
Oh my god, now I'm super overwhelmed.
Just pick one.
Oh,
Pick that one.
Don't take forever.
Yeah, that's a good one. It's a box.
That's pretty.
It's a box.
Yeah, you can just keep the box.
Then I gotta unbury it all.
It's pretty bold.
You can keep the bow in the box.
Let her pick her own prize.
Hard enough.
Whitney, it's not a trick question.
We're gonna steal it, no matter what.
Who's got number two?
Ooh, can I eat these
Okay.
candies while I wait?
No. That's the one you want to take.
Hey, boy, I was calling
You
you.
have
on
to
the
show
mic.
everybody.
I'm
though.
working on it.
Come on.
Kiss.
Oh no, you are not gonna do one at a time.
That's cute.
I love that.
And a whole bunch of candy.
Whoa.
Okay, so you can steal or you can pick a person.
You can eat one. You can have one of the candy baby.
Can I?
Yeah.
You can have two. One for you and one for the baby.